Bueno, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is something that I saw on Facebook yesterday, I think it was, or the day before. Either one, doesn't really matter. It's a dish. It's basically like, it's cornbread with like hot dogs in it, basically. It's like a corn, I'm calling it the cornbread bake because honestly I forgot what the name of it was and I'm just too lazy to go look. So I got these Asiago and garlic sausages. These are on sale, so I'm using them. I'm just gonna cook them a little bit while I work on the cornbread mix. I'll bring it back. Okay, so I got a pan on, and even though I'm gonna be baking this, I'm gonna cook these up a little bit and give them some color. This package is being very stubborn. Okay. Now, where is it? Really? There we go. Dang it. Alright, angers are flaring. Okay, cornbread mix. Basically, I use this cornmeal that I had from last time. And I bought new cornmeal, but I haven't opened the bag yet. So I'm using this recipe. Now the recipe I cut in half, so I'm only using half of what this is. So this one is a little different. 1.5 cups of this, so 3/4 of a cup cut in half. 1 cup of flour, about half a cup. 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. So of course 1 1 1/8 of a teaspoon. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt cut in half. 1 egg, half a cup of milk, half a cup of pure vegetable oil, which I have right here, right there, and then 1/4 cup of sugar, which I wouldn't use a 1/4 cup, so it will be half of that, but I didn't. I only put like a little sprinkle in, so maybe a teaspoon, maybe like a heaping teaspoon. Wow, I'm really not organized today. Daggum. Give this a whisk. Where are they? Give these a turn. Need to preheat my oven. Going 400 degrees. So we're gonna go, how much milk did it say? So 1 cup of milk, so I'm gonna do half a cup. This is a 1/4 cup measuring cup. Yes, I usually mix it the other way around, but now we're just winging it today. How much? 1/4 cup vegetable oil, so about half of this. There we go. Last one called for butter. I'm just going by the recipe. 1 egg with shell. Wow, just, sometimes the day is just like that. All right. That stirred up. I'm not sure I'm going to have enough cornmeal mix, to be honest. Yeah, it might be okay. Alright. Alright. So I have these on medium heat, and I've got the lid on to trap the heat in there, and I'm just kind of giving them a toss every now and then. That way I'm getting even warming, even cooking. They're doing their thing. The heat's not too high. I'm grating some cheese for this because everything's just better with cheese on it. So always grate your cheese. This actually had a little handle, a round little handle on it, but it broke off. Didn't affect the grater at all. So. Okay, so I just killed the heat on the sausages. They're actually looking really good. If I had a bun, I could just chow down in them. I usually do this over the sink, but yeah, we're just gonna wing it. I got my cornbread mix right here. I'm gonna put this in. Remember, like I said, this is only half the mix. This is not a full batch, because I don't know if it's going to turn out or not. I have a can of mini raviolis if it sucks. Spread that out. Curl that in the sink. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take these and we're going to stack them right in there, which probably you saw that coming. Perfect. 4 of these. We're a good fit. We're going to throw cheese right on top. Just hurl those in the oven. Cheese this up. As far as how much you want, just sprinkle on until it looks good. Nice. And then drop the lid on the floor, but screw it. Now the oven's at 380. Throw that in. I'm going to set the kitchen timer for 25 minutes and then check it. Alright, let's take a look. I legitimately have not looked at this, so you and I will be seeing it for the first time. Okay. I need a towel. Pardon my reaching in front of the camera. Just, I didn't want to grab it with just one oven mitt. There we go. It looks done throughout. Let's see. Just want to see if it pokes clean. And it does, indicating that the cornbread itself is done. I'm going to go ahead and kill the oven. Let's zoom in on it. Now I'm going to let this set for a bit, but that's what she looks like. You can see the sausage in there. Got some nice coloration around the edge. Nice crispy baked on, or well, not crispy cheese. Oh yeah. Just had a Caesar salad with it, so it's my favorite. Well, let's give that a few minutes to set and we'll come back and cut it. Alrighty. I don't know if that caught, but alrighty, let's cut this sucker. This works out. I may actually never buy corn dogs again. I actually like corn dogs. Of course, I would probably make it with hot dogs. I was gonna make it with those little mini sausages, but they were more expensive than these were on sale, and they were only $3.99 for 4. So I figured, why not? Doesn't look too bad. Might be a bit of a weird thing to do, but let's taste it. Alright. Give this guy a taste. Well, let's taste the cornbread at least. Good. Here's something I'm noticing though. I should have chopped the dogs up. That's alright though. Oh. Here's the sausage. Hot. Interesting. The dogs are good. The sausages are good. The cornbread is good. The combo, well, it's okay. I mean, quite honestly, what makes hot dogs, or what makes corn dogs great is the fact that they're fried. Maybe we should try it with a little mustard. There we go, got some just French's mustard. Put a little bit just on the Alrighty, so clean bowl. What did I think? I ended up eating half of it, which was kind of my plan from the start. It tasted okay. I mean, I don't know, I think it sounded better in my head than it did on the plate. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't, I don't know, I wouldn't write home about it. Man, I made this great stuff. Thinking about it, what I think I would do next time is, heat up the sausages or hot dogs, whatever you have, in a pan like I did, but maybe make up the batter, but then put it into a pan and make like a Johnny cake. Just put it in the pan and spread it real thin, and then flip it over, and then kind of roll the sausage up in it. That might be a little bit better, I think. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I would make it again, to be honest. I think I might experiment with it. Maybe do the Johnny Cakes idea. So anyway, let me know what you think. I mean, it's not like it was bad. It was just, it was just okay. I mean, I still ate it. It should heat up alright. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.